What a beauty, just in. Just look at it, absolutely fabulous, amazing low mileage, just 17,000 miles from new. This stunning Vauxhall Astra 1.6 petrol. It's the Sport Tourer Elite, top of the range, great specification. Macadamia Pearl is the name of the colour. Just look at it. It is stunning. Amazing car all the way around, great specification, great family car, lots of space. Let's take you all the way around it. Registered October 2015 on a 65 plate. The last owner bought it when it was approximately 12 months old. Just look at it. Just look at the colour when the sunshine just catches it. It is stunning. Just look at that. 1.6, 115 brake horsepower. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Huge boot on it. Just look at that for space. Just a couple of little marks that have a bit of polish there really. The odd mark on the loading bay, but nothing major at all. Massive boot, as you can see. Split folding rear seats. Additional storage just on the sides, on both sides there. Additional storage, no spare wheel on this. All the toolkit there complete. Even the last owners left a bit of cleaning material with the vehicle. All the bodywork is absolutely beautiful. No major dents, scratches or scuffs. All the tyres in great condition. All the wheels all unmarked. This is how the vehicle came in. We've had none of these refurbished or anything, so that tells you how well the car has been looked after. Again, down the sides, lovely and beautiful. Got the aluminium roof rails, nice elite badge on the side there. Near side front wheel, again no curbing on that. Front parking sensors. Again, a full close-up of all the front end. Again, the odd tiny stone chip, but no major damage at all. And this is why we do the videos, so it's almost like you walking around the car with me. Full transparency, give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Again, the offside wheel. And again, all down the sides, just beautiful, nice gloss there, just shining back. And the final wheel. Again, just to show the tread. All the trims totally unmarked inside. Bit of storage there. Full leather upholstery. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Rear centre armrest with a couple of nifty cup holders in there. Attention to detail with the leather. You've got the perforated in the middle. Lots of legroom in there, plenty of space. Great family car.
Thank you.
Driver's door trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, the door entry, no damage there. Lumbar support and the front support seats. Again, just additional support just under your legs, and the condition of those seats, fabulous condition. All the dashboard, all the trims, all in great condition. With just 17,597 miles. That's what's done, 17,597. Amazing mileage. 2015 car. good stereo system, stereo, CD, MP3, aux input, all nice clear dashboard layout on there. Got dual zone climate control with individual controls for the climate control. Heated front seats, 5-speed manual gearbox, central armrest with some storage, electric folding mirrors, a leather multifunction steering wheel, onboard computer, cruise control and speed limiter, audio functions, volume, all at your fingertips on there, nice and easy to control. So there we have it, our amazingly low mileage Vauxhall Astra in outstanding condition. Just look at the headlining, it's like brand new inside. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. The car's just gone through our workshop and had a full service, including the all important cam belt change. Although the mileage is low, we've replaced the cam belt on the vehicle, so I'm going to worry about that. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described when you come to collect it or view it, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. By reserving it, it ensures that nobody else beats you to it. Too many times people are interested, they go away to think about it, only to find out they've missed the little beauty. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator on the website to work out your low deposits, your low monthly payments, and apply direct off the website. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. If you want a more personalised video of any aspects we may have missed, simply call us 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.